Hello, May class, and welcome to the quick response video to do with the maths that we discussed in our live lesson this morning. I think the biggest thing that came up was just the understanding of factors. So I'm going to go through a quick PowerPoint that will help you better understand what a factor is. So a factor is a number that, well, we have factors. Factors are numbers that you multiply together to get an answer. So if your target number is 10, let me just get my pen. So if your target number is 10, like we have here, okay, the factors of 10 would be the numbers that you times together, you multiply together to get 10. Okay, so this could be various numbers have various amounts of factors. So we're going to see what we can multiply together to get 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 and 2 are factors of 10. Are there other numbers that you can multiply together to get 10? Yes, you can multiply 1 and 10 itself, and that will also give you 10. So 1 and 10 are also factors of 10. So the factors of 10 are 1, 10, 2, and 5. So like we said, factors are a pair of numbers that multiply together to give you the target number. So when we were doing our maths in the previous lesson, the target number was the number that was in the factor bug. That was your target number. That was the number you have to multiply two numbers to get to that answer. So if we have a target number of 8, the factors would be 4 and 2 and 1 and 8. Because 1 times 8 is 8, 2 times 4 is 8, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 1 is 8. So those are factors of 8. So if we're looking at factors of 20, 4 times 5 is 20, 2 times 10 is 20, 1 times 20 is 20. So the factors of 20 are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and 4 and 5. Factors of 7 are a little bit different because 7 is an odd number and it can only be divided by 1 in itself. So the factors of 7 would only be 1 and 7. Because it is what we call a prime number. When you have a number like 36, it is a little bit bigger. So 36 has a lot more factors because 1 times 36, so 1 times by 36 will give me 36. 2 times by 18 will give me 36. 3 times by 12 will give me 30. Just getting my pointer back. Three times by 12 is equal to 36. And then we have 4 times by 9 will give me 36. And the last one we can see is there's a factor of 6 because 6 times by 6 would give me 36. That means that the factors of 36 are 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6. I don't need to put 6 twice because it is a factor. It is the same number that we are using again and again. And obviously that goes underneath it. So I hope that clears up the factors a little bit for you, that there are numbers that you times together to get your target number. These are important when we are looking at multiplying in our heads, because then we are able to obviously use our factor pairs to better help us understand or work out multiplication questions using our mental strategies.